We need to replace our flue pipe, which is corroded. What is a range of costs for replacing the flue pipe? Also, we have had our central air conditioning and heating system for 23 years. They work okay and we have had no problems with them in the past 10 years. We get a tune-up and perform the suggested maintenance every year. Does it make sense to replace the entire systems now? We have no plans to move out of the house. Thank you.
Russ here. New flue pipe is about 20.00. If you have no plans to move out of house, then I would suggest you look into 90% furnace. Some HVAC companies are giving rebates to make more affordable. Sorry, some gas companies are giving rebates on 90% or greater furnaces. Russ. Any more questions? Russ. Flue pipe is about average 20 U per foot. 23-year-old furnace. If you do not have problems with heat exchanger, you will in near future. The new 90% furnace use PVC as the vent, not Type B venting. Russ.
Am I correct that the flue pipe goes from the furnace to the roof? Our furnace is in the basement of a 2-story house. What would be a range of expected charges, either by the job or by the hour, for labor to install a new flue pipe? Also, I have a warranty which excludes coverage for flues and vents. Would a flue pipe be the same as a flue? If not, do you think there is a possibility that the flue pipe would not be excluded? Thanks again.
Anything outside furnace is not covered under any warranty. The price I gave you is an estimated price per flue including the labor. This price usually varies from $20 to $30 per foot depending on area of country you are located. At 0 feet ill-coated chimney vent and cap between $400 to $550. Russ.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.